Hello friends, welcome to Technoholic Life. I'm Sunny Mishra and today in this video we're going to review a product which can be used as a headphone, a power bank and a phone stand also. Yes, all in one and comes in a really small package. You will hardly feel you are carrying a device which can be used in so many ways. And it doesn't weigh as heavy as conventional power banks, so you will love to carry them. And it opposes Samsung innovation that you can charge your earbuds with your phone. It's opposite here. Your earbud case will charge your phone when you need them, and when it comes to charging only the earbuds, you will forget that you have to charge the headphone case also. The battery is really huge. So before we dive into the video, a quick reminder: if you are new to this channel, do subscribe us and hit the bell icon. If you end up liking what you saw, hit the like button, else you know the other buttons are also working. And yes, if you like the product, all the possible buy links will be in description. So getting back to the video, let's take a quick look at the specification of this G02 wireless headphones. The charging case comes with a 3300 mAh battery, which is good enough to charge not even the earbuds but also a mobile phone. Each earbud has 55 mAh battery, which can give you music playback time of up to 4 hours. And to charge the case, a Type-C port and a full-size USB port for the power output, so you can charge other devices also. So let's quickly unbox it and see what we get inside the box. The box looks really good. They have tried to give a premium feel when it comes to unboxing. Here is the user manual. Everything is placed nicely in foam cutouts. Let's see what's inside this paper box. Here we get a small Type-C cable and some rubber tips for the earbuds. So let's keep them aside and take a closer look at the headphones. So here are the G02 earbuds. When we put them back in charging case, they start to charge and we get to see the detail how much battery is left in the charging case. The earbud takes up to 1 hour to get fully charged, and after that they work for 3.5 to 4 hours. So what else makes them convenient? When you take them out, they quickly connect to your phone, and when you put them back, they quickly disconnect. I really like the connection speed, which makes me use them more frequently. So now let's move to the next feature, which is the power sharing. You can see it has a USB port. You can connect any USB cable which is compatible with your phone and it starts charging. And for my surprise, the charging speed was equal to any other expensive power banks. So a thumbs up from my side, because no one wants a slow charging box. So now when we have covered almost all the features of this G02 wireless headphones, one major thing is still left to talk, and that's, you guessed it right, it's the sound quality. I kept it until the end because when it comes to sound quality, these headphones produce nice sound but at higher volumes. Yes, if you are a person like me who don't listen music on high volumes, you will notice lack of bass. Yes, on low volumes, earbud lack bass, but when you keep adding the volume, the bass also starts to enter. But these headphones are generally stereo, call quality is perfect, and if you want to buy these headphones to make calls or even watching movies, this is really awesome and convenient. But if your sole motive is music, I'm not saying it's bad. I'm a reviewer, I get to use many headphones, so if I compare them only on the basis of music quality, they lack bass. But overall, I have never seen a better package than this. I will rate its music quality 3.5 out of 5, which is not bad. But at the price of $26, you are getting a power bank, a mobile stand and a headphone also. I am happy with my purchase. And if I have to go out on long road trips, these are the most reliable headphones I can choose from my collection. I can leave my power bank at home, easily pocketable, no hassles of wire. So overall, a nice pair of headphones which are value for money. Hope you have liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.